Hello friends, Mm, you are watching my channel and I am Lakshmi. So today I am going to share something about saving money, which is very important in this 21st century because you know everything is important and we can enjoy everything. So if we save something, then we can do everything. So, firstly, I just want to say that the importance of saving money is simple. It allows you to enjoy greater security in your life. If you have cash set aside for emergencies, you have a fallback should something unexpected happen. And if you have savings set aside for discretionary expenses, you may be able to take risks or try new things. So firstly, we should know about that what is saving. Saving is the portion of income not spent on current expenditures. Without savings, unexpected events can become large financial burdens. Therefore, savings helps an individual or family become financially secure. Money can also be saved to purchase expensive items that are too costly to buy with monthly income. The next question is about that why is saving and investing important? Like we earn money and all things are dependent on us that uh, which part of saving we have to to keep with us and which part of we have to invest on something. So money matters and is important for survival. Here are a few reasons why it's important to have savings and investments. Transaction motive people save cash to bridge the interval between receiving the income and expenditure. The amount depends on the interval at which money is received. The second thing is here in this 21st century, lots of examples of savings we can see like this era is this timing is about YouTube. So everything is available in the vast knowledge on YouTube. But I just want to say something different rather than YouTube that first and foremost, saving money is important because it helps protect you in the event of a financial emergency. Additionally, saving money can help you pay for large purchases, avoid debt, reduce your financial stress, leave a financial legacy, and provide you with a greater sense of financial freedom. The firstly example is you will be financially independent sooner. If you are saving something for a some kind of purpose, then definitely one day you will be a financial independent. Secondly, you won't have to worry if you are hit with any unforeseen expenses. The second example is about if you are hit with something situation which is very critical for you. So if you have something regarding saving, then you can do everything uh, if you are in a critical situation. Thirdly, example is you will have some financial backup in place if you lose your job. It is very simple. If you will lose your job, then if you have a part of saving, then you can do whatever do you want. You will be prepared if your circumstances change, and you will be more comfortable in retirement. The second last one is after all, why not enjoy what money you have left every month now and worry about tomorrow later? But stop there a moment. Although making the most of the present is important, there are plenty of good reasons you need to look out for your financial future too. So, here I just want to tell you about basic reasons for saving money. Like people, uh, people follow basic reasons why they save money, and the basic reasons are emergency fund purchases and wealth building. And my next question is how do you start saving money? So the thing is, if you start saving money, then you can do something rather than everything, because everything start with a little bit types of things. Like firstly, you just keep saving £1, second time £10, third time £15. So every day, day by day, you will keep something for saving. Then definitely one day you will get a fruitful amount. So um, first reason is record your expenses. The first step to start saving money is to figure out how much you spend. And the second one is budget your savings. Find ways you can cut your spending and decide on your priorities. Pick the right tools. Make saving automatic. And the last one is watch your savings grow. And at the last of the month, you can watch how can your savings are growing, and at in which type of situation are you facing, and everything you can notice. And the next thing is, even putting a small amount aside every month can make a real difference over the long term. Lots of savings account can be opened with as little as £1. Alternatively, if you are happy to accept a level of risk and want to start investing in the hope of generating higher potential returns than deposit accounts can provide, you could think about putting some money into stocks and shares every month. Again, some funds allows you to start with just £1 a month if you can't afford more. Bear in mind, though, that investments can fall as well as rise, so there's the risk you could get back less than you put in. Typically, you should only think about investing if you plan to tie up your money for 5 years or more. So, at last, I just want to say that, guys, please save money for your bright future. And thank you. And if you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.